How to fix Ring app won't let me log in. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through the login problem on Ring applications. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, make sure your internet connection is stable. If it is acting up, switch to cellular data and try again. Next step is first stop and clear cache. Press and hold the Ring app icon and go to App Info. Now tap on Force Stop and tap Force Stop. Tap Storage Uses and now tap Clear Cache. Once you have done that, you can simply fix the problem. If this did not help you, you need to make sure that you update or reinstall the application. Check for the updates first. Open Play Store and search for a Ring application. If there is any update, update it to the latest version. Now you simply need to reinstall the app. Tap on Uninstall and tap on Install and again reinstall from Play Store. To save the changes, you need to hold the power button on your device and then swipe towards Restart and restart your phone. With this, your issue will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.